Remember me? It's like now finally real time Kitty and not from the summer. I thought I would film a really kind of, I don't know, casual life update video for you because I'm on my phone because I actually don't know. We still have to unpack some boxes for our new house. We're in a new house. Up next, I'm going to share with you the empty house tour from, when did we move in? July, August? It was like end of July or beginning of August or something like that. But a lot has changed since then. I am pregnant with baby number 2. It's a boy, which is very, very exciting. That's kind of why I'm out of breath. But we moved and it's been great. I know that I got a lot of questions about like why we moved, and I tried to kind of explain it in the beginning of the final house tour video of our old home. But essentially Joel and I worked together and our office moved, and we knew that we were going to move eventually, and we'd been looking for a house for probably at least a year. And this one finally came on the market, and it just seemed to be a great fit for us, so we went for it and got it, which is exciting. But the biggest thing about this house is it's just very builder grade. So we've been working on adding some personality to it and stuff, and just making it our own, and just kind of like modernizing it a bit. It was born, it was built in I think like 2000. So it'll be fun. I'm gonna share with you up next the empty house tour. I think this was filmed like just before we got our keys, like our final walkthrough before we closed on the house. And so there's like some furniture in it from when the previous owners, they moved before they sold the house, but they left a couple of pieces of furniture, which we had them take out because I didn't want their furniture pieces. And then we just literally the day we got the keys, we hired somebody to start doing some work in the house, and I'll share with you soon so we can get all up to date on like where I am with the house renovations and stuff like that, and just like life in general. So thanks for bearing with me, and kind of for the unplanned break, but it was like totally what I needed, my family needed, everything like that. It's been a little crazy around here. So up next, watch the empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you very, very soon, and we'll be back up to real time, and it'll be great. All right, bye.